Hello everybody, James here. I just wanted to make a video and I wanted to show you there's a product for you. It's called a dash cam. This is made by this company here. Hang on, because they can hang on. Called On Mini Dash Cam, and this is what it looks like when you hang it up in front of on your windowsill, but it records. The reason why I got this little miniaturized thing, because sometimes just in case it's good. You just in case you have a close call, or well, hopefully you don't end up in no accident, but just in case you do, you'll have one of these bad boys. So if you ever go to court, you could just take that video out and show the court that that driver was in the wrong. I had my old one here. Got a lot of stuff in here. Excuse the stuff. And I just wanted to show you. And let me take this down for a minute. Let me see how to kind of see like this. It's kind of little teeny camera. And you turn it on, it's a blue light that comes in there, and it comes with instructions on how to put it together. I don't know if it's in your store or in your city, in your store, but this is what the instructions look like. This is how you assembling it together. It has a memory card with it to record things, and of course, when you memory card, you have to go and get another memory card once it's filled up. But here's the instructions on it. Real tiny instructions. You ever notice that when something like this, they put it real tiny, so you have to have some glasses or some really good eyes to see this. It's trying to strain your eyes out trying to get this, but this what it looks like. Just how you clip it on. And yeah, this is so just in case if you get one, and you'll see when you get the box. If you find one of these, they might be online. I got this at Walmart, but let me see if they got a website. Well, here's the number here. That's the number you want to order. Maybe they can suggest or call and see if they have the website. But they have a lot of your tablets, and they make tablets and things, like holders for your tablets and things. Because I bought some from them, and it was just to put your tablet in. It was like a 10-inch tablet, so you can know you won't drop it or break it or anything. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this, and yeah, this is good traffic cam. Hold on. There's a good traffic camera just in case, you never know. And then it's really so funny that no one don't know. Somebody might think it's some kind of surveillance cameras too, because sometimes it might be a deterrent. You can use it as a deterrent, because a lot of people are breaking into cars. So maybe if they can invent something that would activate someone come near your car, and that thing had like a rotator camera, like and motion, and the whole camera kind of moved. And if they had that, man, and then if they find it what the car, the place can capture what the suspect looked like and everything. But anyway, this is for traffic. Though that would be nice, but this is for traffic. But hope you find this interesting to buy one. So I just want to give you some idea on your next idea on traffic, and that way this can come in handy for you. because it's crazy out there on these roads these days, and you're gonna need something to back you up if you have to go to court or something. So, all right then, you guys take it easy. This is James. This is James out. I hope you have a blessed one. Take care till next time.